Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the art of reconciliation from a Stoic perspective. Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes we find ourselves estranged from people we care about. Whether it's a friend, family member, or partner, the journey of reconciliation can be both challenging and rewarding. Join us as we delve into the principles of Stoicism and learn how to welcome people back into your life with grace and understanding. Step 1. Acknowledging the situation entails a fundamental step towards fostering understanding and growth, a concept deeply rooted in Stoicism. It involves not merely seeing, but truly comprehending the circumstances that led to discord or tension. This acknowledgement serves as a cornerstone for initiating reconciliation, a conscious acceptance of the need to mend fractured relationships or resolve conflicts, echoing Stoic principles of acceptance of the present moment. Moreover, recognizing the need for reconciliation signifies an awareness of the importance of restoring harmony and balance, central tenets in Stoic philosophy. It underscores the value of empathy and communication in bridging divides and healing wounds, aligning with Stoic teachings on the importance of virtuous action and social harmony. This recognition is not merely passive, it's an active acknowledgement of the human propensity for misunderstandings and the commitment to address them constructively, echoing Stoic emphasis on rationality and self-awareness. In the process of reflection, one delves deeper into the intricacies of what went wrong, a practice encouraged by Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca. It involves a conscientious examination of actions, words, and intentions that contributed to the breakdown of rapport. This reflective journey is not about assigning blame, but rather about gaining insight into the root causes of discord, echoing Stoic teachings on the importance of focusing on what is within our control. It requires humility and introspection, as well as a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths, echoing Stoic ideals of self-examination and moral development. In essence, acknowledging the situation, recognizing the need for reconciliation, and reflecting on what went wrong are interconnected phases in the journey towards resolution and growth, mirroring Stoic principles of ethical development and inner peace. They pave the way for meaningful dialogue, understanding, and ultimately, the restoration of trust and harmony, reflecting the Stoic goal of achieving tranquility through wisdom and virtue. Step 2. Stoicism, with its emphasis on reason, virtue, and acceptance of the things beyond our control, offers a unique perspective on understanding others. In Stoic philosophy, the practice of empathy aligns with the principle of recognizing the shared humanity among all individuals. When we strive to understand another person's perspective from a Stoic standpoint, we acknowledge that everyone faces challenges and struggles in life, and these are often beyond their immediate control. By recognizing this, we cultivate a sense of empathy that transcends judgment and fosters compassion. Stoicism encourages us to put ourselves in the shoes of others, not only to understand their experiences, but also to recognize the commonalities of human existence. In doing so, we develop a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of humanity and the importance of treating others with kindness and understanding. Moreover, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control, such as our attitudes and responses to others, rather than dwelling on external circumstances. This mindset shift enables us to approach interpersonal conflicts with a sense of calm and rationality, which can facilitate constructive dialogue and reconciliation. In essence, incorporating Stoic principles into our practice of empathy reminds us of our shared humanity and encourages us to respond to others with wisdom, compassion, and understanding, ultimately fostering deeper connections and promoting harmony in our relationships. Step 3. Effective communication is essential for resolving conflicts and fostering understanding in relationships. By using I statements instead of you accusations, individuals can express their feelings and needs in a non-confrontational manner, which promotes open dialogue and reduces defensiveness. I statements focus on expressing one's own thoughts, feelings, and experiences rather than placing blame or making assumptions about the other person. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," one could say, "I feel unheard when I don't feel like my perspective is being considered." Practicing active listening is another key component of effective communication. This involves giving the other person your full attention, maintaining eye contact, and using verbal and non-verbal cues to show that you're engaged and attentive. Additionally, it's important to paraphrase what the other person has said to ensure understanding and to demonstrate empathy and validation. Validating the other person's feelings is crucial for building rapport and fostering trust. This involves acknowledging and accepting their emotions, even if you may not agree with their perspective. Validating statements such as, "I can see why you would feel that way," or "It's understandable that you're upset," can help the other person feel heard and understood. By incorporating these communication techniques, using I statements, practicing active listening, and validating feelings, individuals can communicate more effectively, navigate conflicts more constructively, and strengthen their relationships. Step 4. Sincere apologies play a vital role in resolving conflicts and rebuilding trust in relationships. When offering an apology, it's important to acknowledge your part in the conflict and take responsibility for your actions without making excuses. Start by reflecting on your role in the situation and identifying how your words, actions, or decisions may have contributed to the conflict. Acknowledge the impact of your behavior on the other person and express genuine remorse for any hurt or harm caused. When offering your apology, be sincere and heartfelt in your words. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame onto others. Instead, take ownership of your actions and express a genuine desire to make amends. For example, you might say something like, "I realize that my comments during our disagreement were hurtful, and I'm truly sorry for the pain I caused you. I take full responsibility for my words, and I want you to know that I'm committed to working through this and repairing our relationship." By offering a sincere apology and taking responsibility for your actions, you demonstrate humility, accountability, and a genuine desire to make things right. This can help to repair trust, rebuild communication, and pave the way for reconciliation and healing in the relationship. Step 5. Stoicism, with its emphasis on personal responsibility and virtue, aligns well with the concept of making amends. Stoic philosophy teaches individuals to acknowledge their mistakes, take ownership of their actions, and actively work towards rectifying them. In the context of making amends, a Stoic approach would involve accepting full responsibility for one's actions without seeking to deflect blame or make excuses. Instead, it encourages individuals to focus on what they can control, their own behavior and actions, and to take proactive steps to address the harm caused. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and introspection. In the process of making amends, a Stoic individual would engage in honest self-examination to identify the underlying causes of their behavior and to understand how it has affected others. This self-awareness enables them to make genuine efforts towards personal growth and improvement. Moreover, Stoicism teaches individuals to cultivate virtues such as integrity, honesty, and humility. When making amends, a Stoic would strive to embody these virtues in their words and actions, demonstrating sincere remorse for their actions and a genuine commitment to making things right. Overall, The principles of Stoicism provide a solid framework for approaching the process of making amends with sincerity, humility, and a genuine desire for personal and relational growth. By embracing these principles, individuals can navigate conflicts and repair relationships in a way that aligns with their values and fosters greater harmony and understanding. Step 6. Rebuilding trust after it's been damaged requires patience, consistency, and a demonstration of trustworthiness through actions. Firstly, patience is crucial. Rebuilding trust is a process that takes time, and it's important to allow the other person the space and time they need to heal and regain confidence in the relationship. Rushing the process can often do more harm than good. Consistency is also key. It's not enough to make promises or commitments. Trust is rebuilt through sustained effort and behavior over time. Consistently following through on your words and actions demonstrates reliability and integrity, which are essential components of trust. Most importantly, demonstrating your trustworthiness through your actions is essential. This means being honest, transparent, and reliable in all your interactions. Avoiding behaviors that may have led to the breakdown of trust in the first place is crucial, and actively working to rebuild trust through positive actions and behaviors is essential. Overall, rebuilding trust requires patience, consistency, and a genuine commitment to demonstrating trustworthiness through your words and actions. It's a gradual process, but with time, effort, and sincerity, trust can be rebuilt in even the most challenging of circumstances. Step 7. Creating and maintaining healthy boundaries is crucial for fostering understanding and harmony in any relationship or interaction. By delineating clear boundaries, you set the stage for mutual respect and understanding. These boundaries serve as guidelines for what is acceptable and what is not, thereby preventing potential conflicts or misunderstandings. Open and honest communication is the cornerstone of establishing these boundaries effectively. It's essential to express your needs, desires, and limitations openly, without fear of judgment or reprisal. By doing so, you foster an environment of trust and transparency, where both parties feel comfortable expressing themselves authentically. Moreover, clear communication helps in negotiating boundaries collaboratively. It allows for a mutual understanding of each other's expectations and ensures that both parties are on the same page regarding what is acceptable behavior and what is not. This mutual understanding lays the groundwork for a healthier and more fulfilling relationship dynamic. In essence, setting boundaries and communicating openly about them is not just about preventing misunderstandings. It's about creating a framework for respectful and meaningful interactions. It's a proactive approach to building relationships based on trust, understanding, and mutual respect. So take the time to establish and communicate your boundaries. It's an investment in the quality of your connections and your overall well-being. Step 8. Practicing forgiveness aligns closely with Stoic principles of resilience, virtue, and inner peace. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and to let go of attachments to external events or the actions of others. In the context of forgiveness, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of releasing the grip of resentment and negative emotions that can weigh us down. Stoics recognize that holding on to grudges or resentment only perpetuates suffering and impedes our ability to live a flourishing life. By practicing forgiveness, we actively choose to relinquish these emotional burdens and reclaim our inner tranquility. Stoicism teaches us that true freedom lies in our ability to control our perceptions and responses to external events rather than being enslaved by them. Furthermore, forgiveness allows us to cultivate empathy and understanding towards those who may have wronged us. Stoicism encourages us to view others with compassion, recognizing that they too are subject to their own struggles and limitations. By letting go of resentments, we create space for empathy and reconciliation, fostering healthier and more meaningful relationships. Importantly, Stoicism reminds us that forgiveness does not mean overlooking or excusing past transgressions. Instead, it involves acknowledging the reality of the situation and choosing to respond with wisdom and compassion rather than bitterness or anger. By embracing forgiveness as a deliberate act of self-care and empowerment, we align ourselves with Stoic ideals of virtue, resilience, and inner peace. In summary, practicing forgiveness is not only a powerful tool for personal healing and transformation, but also a manifestation of Stoic wisdom and philosophy. By letting go of resentment, embracing empathy, and reclaiming our inner peace, we can cultivate deeper connections and lead more fulfilling lives in alignment with Stoic principles. Reconciliation is a process that requires patience, understanding, and effort from both parties. By following these steps, you can pave the way for healing and welcoming people back into your life. Remember, it's never too late to mend a relationship and start anew. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences. See you in the next video.